Research has shown that in the first 3 months of resistance training, there is no difference in muscle strength gains between doing 1 set or 3 sets. You pretty much gain the same amount of strength and muscle whether you do 1 set, 2 sets, or 3 sets per exercise. That is why my advice to people who just started to work out is to just do 1 set per exercise. Besides the fact that you get no extra benefit from the extra sets, by only doing 1 set per exercise, you keep your workouts short, which makes it much easier to stay consistent with them. And consistency is the key to making exercising a habitual behavior, which will lead to sustainable results. Once you've been exercising for at least 3 months, only then, depending of course on your fitness goals, I would consider doing a second set per exercise. But keep in mind, the extra set will only get you around 10% more benefits. So you got to ask yourself the question, does it worth making my workouts twice as long for an extra 10% benefit? And also keep in mind, the longer the workouts, the harder it will be to fit them into your day. So sometimes you're better off with a shorter workout, even if that means you get less benefits from each workout, because that is the workout you feel you can be more consistent with. And consistency is the key to sustainable results.